guys, so if you're watching my video for the first time, I heartily welcome you to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. And so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can see on the screen that's the profile, that's my YouTube profile. You just have to click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon, which will keep you notified if for my upcoming videos. So yeah, let's get started with the video.
大家好。Today we're at here. It's called 浅水湾, and now we are having our food, our coffee, and our tea. You can see the scenery.
Hello guys, namaste, welcome back to our channel, and let me show you guys, this is the beach we are here at, and these are the people around us. Chanding is enjoying his waffles. This is my tea, fruit tea I got today. That is the passion fruit tea with some apple and oranges. And next we have the waffles here with the ice cream, chocolate ice cream. And Chanding is having his Americano as usual, his favorite. And now that is the beach. So later I'm going to show you the beach. So let's get started. After getting a lot of tan and dirty, it's the time for me to go back. It's the time for us to go back home. So that's the end of the video, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Tab tak ke liye, bye, take care, and all of you, yay!